This is Koreatown in Osaka, home to the most kimchi stores in the Kansai region. In this episode, we'll be taking a kimchi lesson and learning all about the iconic national dish. What's up, guys? Today we are in Koreatown. I'm here with my friend Adrienne.
Hi.
We're going to be making kimchi for the very first time. Never made it before.
No.
But we do enjoy eating it.
Lots of it. I realize a white outfit's probably not the best for making kimchi.
Probably not,
but
no.
We'll try.
Here at Narita Shoten, Takako-san gives lessons for 1,000 yen per person. The lesson runs for under an hour and you get to keep the kimchi that you made.
はい、行くで。はい、キムチは食べたことある？
はい。
ある？
はい。
好き？うちのキムチは世界で一番美味しく。食べ
おー。
たらわかる。間違いない。白菜はうちらは1年から2年も前。1年置いて食べれるような白菜。オッケー？2 years。わからんやろ。わかってないやろ。わからんでもええねん別に。姉ちゃんはちゃんと聞いときや。これ味見してみ。取って味見してみ。ど
こでも？
もうどこでもいい。めっちゃんこ美味しいから。食べてみ。はい。美味しい。美味しい。これだけでも美味しい。これだけでも美味しいねんけど、アメリカではこれなんていうの？白菜。
Japanese cabbage. Cabbage.
ジャパニーズはこれは韓国やね。コリアンキャベツ。うちはコリアンやから。ジャパン違うジャパン。一回これ舐めてみペロって。舐めてみ味見してみ。めっちゃ美味しいから。美味しいやろ。舐めてないやんもっといっぱい。美味しい？
美味しいです。
Delicious.
Very delicious. で、これを作ってこれを今度はここに塗る。こうやって。一枚ひっくり返してこうして塗る。この髪の毛を染めるように。塗り残しのないように。塗りすぎやそれ。これ食べられへんやこんな塗ってもったら。なんでこれおつぶせにした？仰向けにしといたのに。
Like brushing your hair.
そう。おお、オッケー。はい、ヘアブレス。おお、オッケー。一枚ずつまんべんなく塗っていく。そう、お姉ちゃん、ええこと言うやないか。ゴテゴテにしてしもたやないか。塗る人によってこれは味が変わります、キムチの。同じ白菜、同じヤンニョンでも塗る人によって味が変わります。家帰って美味しないな思ったら自分のせいや思わなあかんこれ。
私のせい。
おい下手くそやから。お姉ちゃん日本語達者やな。日本来て何年になった？
もうすぐ10年ぐらい。
ああ、そしたらもっと達者ならなあかんわ。
ぼち。
このお兄ちゃんは日本語下手くそやな。浅いやろ日本来て。
How long have you?
4年間ぐらい。
ああ、下手やな。
美味しい。
だからすぐ覚える。美味しい？めっちゃんこ美味しい？はい、めっちゃ美味しい言ってみ。
めっちゃ美味しい。
めっちゃ美味しい。これだけじゃないね、うちキムチ。ちょっと待ってや。
もう。
Good.
こうやって山芋はアメリカにないやろ。まあマウンテンポテト。近いやろ。でこれは大根。でこれはレンコン。でラッキョ。これ食べてみるか。
The mountain potato is very different. It's like
これ美味しいやろ。
美味しいです。
めっちゃ美味しいやろ。
the texture is very, very different. It doesn't taste like potato at all. It's crunchy. It's almost like a nashi pear. Yeah?
That's a good
So, yeah, it's like, it's cold, it's crunchy and crisp, but when you bite into it, like, it does have that kind of nashi pear kind of burst of flavor, that kind of texture. Very, very different. Something I've never tried before. Very nice. Got the daikon. I like the daikon because there's also like a sesame goma desu ka? There's a sesame flavor to it as well. It's infused with sesame. That's nice as well, right?
Yeah. You're right, like they all absorb the flavor very differently, right? Cool. I love this texture too.
Yeah. This is a little onion rakkyo. You get, first of all, a crunchy little onion, and then this burst of acidity and sweetness in that sort of pickling juice. And then, you know, the kimchi. It's so good. So each of these, they're all very different. They've got a different texture and a different taste, and just a completely different take on kimchi to the standard cabbage style that we all know and love. Huge cup.
I'm gonna be quite red later. It's not gonna be from the kimchi. I can guarantee you that. It's fun. People should do this.
Yeah, it's definitely an experience, right?
She's fun. Like, even if you just, you know, the process of like meeting her was definitely worth it.
Yeah. So that's it for this video. We've just finished up making the kimchi. How do you feel?
Full and happy.
Yeah. It's
Had a lot of laughs with her. And
such a great experience. She's so much fun. That's what really makes this a fantastic experience, definitely. We'll leave details down below in the description box so you can contact them and come and do this for yourself.
yeah, definitely fun. Definitely a unique experience.
Definitely got to do it, yeah. If you like this video, please leave a like down below and consider subscribing if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell to know as soon as I upload a new video. My name is Lin Nyunt.
I'm Adrienne.
And we'll catch you next time.
So I have an idea, because I'm a little bit worried about putting this in my bag for the rest of the day. I'm gonna go into the Hyakken and buy a Tupperware.
Okay.
Yeah? I just don't want, I love the smell, but I don't want to be smelling like the smell, you know? So I'm gonna do that. Success. Not gonna smell like kimchi all day.
Also known as a kimchi protective container.
Totally. 100 yen well spent. Keep that going. Look at that. Perfect. Ah, treasure.